If you're buying a home in Florida, there's one number your lender's loan estimate won't fully prepare you for: closing cost. Most buyers budget for their down payment and forget their second number entirely. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what you'll pay and why Florida's closing costs work a little differently than the rest of the country. Closing costs are the fees you pay on top of your down payment to finalize your home purchase. Lender fees, title work, taxes, and prepaid items like insurance and property tax. In Florida, buyers typically budget between 2% and 5% of the purchase price. On a $400,000 home, that's roughly $8,000 to $20,000. Here's what makes Florida a little unique: 2 state taxes most buyers from other states have never heard of. Mortgage doc stamps. If you're financing, Florida charges a documentary stamp tax on the mortgage itself that goes between 35 cents per $100 borrowed. On a $400,000 loan, that's $1,400, and it's separate from any tax on the deed. Cost 2, intangible tax. Florida also charges a one-time intangible tax of 2% on the loan amount. So on that same $400,000 loan, that's $800. So together, doc stamps and intangible tax add up to $5.50 per $1,000 you borrow. And it catches a lot of out-of-state buyers off guard. Cost 3, title insurance. This is the big one. Florida title insurance rates are set by the state, so they're the same no matter which title company you plan on using. So on a $400,000 purchase, expect roughly $2,000 for an owner's policy. In most Florida counties, the seller customarily covers this, but in Miami-Dade, Broward, Sarasota, and Collier, the buyer typically pays it. Always confirm local custom before you write your offer. Beyond taxes and title, expect lender fees like origination and appraisal, a settlement or closing fee to your title company, usually between $400 to $700. Prepaid homeowners insurance and property tax, escrows, and if there's an HOA, an estoppel letter fee of $100 to $400. Ask for a loan estimate early, so none of this is a surprise at the closing table. So let's say you're buying a $400,000 home in Orange County with a $360,000 loan. You're looking at roughly $1,260 in mortgage doc stamps, $720 in intangible tax, and a few $100 in lender and settlement fees, plus prepaid insurance and taxes. All in, plan for $10,000 to $16,000 above your down payment. And your lender can give you an exact number once you're under contract. Closing costs in Florida aren't something to fear. They're just something to plan for. If you're getting ready to buy and want a clear breakdown of what your specific closing costs will look like, let's talk. Drop a comment, send me a message, or book a call using the link below. Always confirm final figures with your lender, title company, since exact costs vary by the loan and the county. Daniela Gilet, real estate advisor with Lifestyle International.